Hello, hi everyone. Some of you have joined Google Classroom and some have not yet joined. So I'm giving this presentation to make it more clear the steps to join and how to submit your assignments. The ones who have joined who don't need these initial steps can skip and go to the middle of the video where I'm going to guide how to submit your assignment. Okay, but the step one for joining the Google Classroom is, so here in google.com you can search for Google Classroom. Okay, you can search for the Google Classroom in Google or type classroom.google.com. Okay, after that you're going to log in using your Gmail ID and password. You need to have a Gmail ID and password to enter the Google Classroom. Once you enter there, if you are not part of any classroom, you will get a plus sign. Okay, click on that plus sign. You get two options. Okay, you will click on the first option, that is join class. Once you click on the join class, you will be asked to enter the class code. Okay, in case of IT, your class code is U4BKMUM. All are small letters and there's only one number 4. So you will enter these details and then you will click on the join button. Once you join your Google Classroom, that is your IT Google Classroom, your home page of your Google Classroom will have all the classes that you have joined in. If you have joined only IT Google Classroom, then only IT folder will be there. Okay, this is like a IT Google Classroom. Now when you click here IT 12th Commerce, when you click that, you will get three other options. One is stream, one is classwork, and one is people. Okay, in your stream you will be able to view all that your teacher has posted in the Google Classroom. For instance, in this slide, in this page, there are some materials that have been posted. Okay, so your teacher has posted something on tag, attributes, and EDI. There's some new study material that has been posted. The study material could be in a form of PDF, YouTube videos, images, anything. Okay, so the materials would have been posted here, or your teacher has posted a assignment. Okay, so when you click on the material, you will be able to view the study material. When you click on the assignment, you will be directed to a page, okay, which will show you the instructions given by your teacher for the assignment and any other related file to the assignment. Okay, so when you click on this file, e-commerce assignment 3, when you click on this file will get downloaded on your mobile or on your laptop. Then you'll be able to view your assignment. Okay, once you have viewed your assignment, okay, and written down, so here the instruction has been given by your teacher that you have to write the answers in your notebook. Okay, once you write that down and you have taken your pictures, you're going to, first step, you're going to download this assignment so that you know what are the questions given in the assignment. Then you write in your notebook the answers for the questions that have been asked. Okay, take pictures of your work that you have done in your notebook. Once you have taken pictures, you come to this section. Okay, see here something on the right side, you're given your work. Okay, can you see here your work? Okay, here you have a plus sign, add or create. When you click on this plus sign, you get multiple options. You can go to file, go to this file option, and then you can browse your pictures. Okay, if you have saved it in the mobile phone, then from your app you will go to this your work, click on the plus sign and browse all the pictures related to your assignment. Okay, once you have made the selection, here you get the browser window, you'll select whatever pictures you need to attach and then you click on open. Once you click on open, then you will finally upload. Okay, upload all the pictures. Once you've selected all, maybe you have 4 pictures, then 4 thumbnails will appear here and then you will upload. After you click on upload, you will be able to view what all files you have uploaded. So you can delete if you have by mistake added an unnecessary file, please delete it. Okay, only the work related to your assignment has to be uploaded. So make sure you check here after uploading. After you finish uploading, check in your work whether you have attached the right files. If there are duplicate files, twice you have added, please go ahead and delete and keep relevant single work in your work. Okay, in your work category. So after you have uploaded your answers, you will click on the hand in button. Click on the hand in button. So you click on the hand in button, the Google Classroom will ask you, these attachments are there, do you want to hand in? Okay, again you click on the hand in button. Okay, click there and then you will get an option like this, which is unsubmit. Okay, that means you have, and you will also be able to view in the your work handed in. Handed in means your assignments have been submitted, the answers to your assignment has been submitted if you see a handed in option here. Okay, and you will also get an option of unsubmit, so you don't need to click that. If you have done the right work, you don't have to click that. Just wait for your teacher to respond. Once your teacher returns your work, okay, once I have checked, I have reviewed it and I'm going to send you back your work, you can again go back to your assignment link. You can go back to your assignment link. When you open that up, you will be able to see the grades that have been given by your teacher and any private comment that has been mentioned by your teacher. Okay, this is again in the assignment link in the stream section. Okay, so when you click that, you'll be able to see your grades and any other private comments that your teacher has given. This will be solely given to the individual student, so no other student will be able to see your grade and no other student will be able to see the comment that has been given by the teacher to you. So this is privacy maintained. Okay, I hope it is clear. If there are any technical issues, you need to get back to your teacher. All the best. Thank you.